everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a lead generation feedback pop-up with Popup Smart. So if you don't have a Popup Smart account, go ahead, just create one for free. As you can see, this is a free plan as well. So you can see that what I'm doing in this video is what you can do with your free account as well. Okay, once you create your account for the first time, you will be welcomed by the playbook. So let's start from here. This is gonna be a feedback pop-up. So on the left-hand panel, there are some filters, some categories. So I will just choose collect feedback and surveys. And I have many options. You can just quickly take a look and see if some of them catch your eye. You can go with the colors that go well with your brand design, your website design. But even if you don't like it in the first place, you can just customize it to go in line with your brand design. So let's see this one, for example. This is a multi-step pop-up. Let's select it. Before we select it, you can see the theme engine here. So you can just click change if you want to change how it looks. So you can better decide if this is one for you. Okay, I'm just happy as it is, so I'll just select this pop-up. So this is a multi-step pop-up. There are some questions about the product, the checkout, the websites, and at the last step, we'll get their email address and they can leave a message if they want to as well. And optionally, we could just add a coupon code here. Let me do it real quick. And maybe place it here or not. Okay, we can just add a coupon code to make it more enticing so that everyone would like to participate in this pop-up. And to the text, we can write, take our survey and get a discount code. But of course, if you don't want to offer a discount code, you can just skip this step. We can change the image here if you want to. We can just change the text, the button, and you can do all these for the other steps as well. From the style, you can see the theme engine again. You can arrange the size of your pop-up, its position on the website. And then we have the background color. We have the overlay. Let's activate it to make it more eye-catching. Maybe you can even change its color. Then we have the opening effect, text, fonts, and button style. You can even change and customize the close button. Okay, let's continue with segments. Okay, these templates come with predefined segmentation options. As you can see, our segment is form submissions because they're submitting their email address on this pop-up. This is visible on desktop only and it will be displayed to new and returning visitors. We will display this pop-up when someone scrolls to 50% of the website. And then if they spend 15 seconds on the website. This is good because if you want feedback from someone that is visiting our website, we don't want to show it the minute they enter the website. We just want to give them a space to spend some time so that we'll understand that they're interested in what we offer and they're probably a customer maybe, and then we can just ask them to fill in the feedback pop-up. And we have some frequency settings as well. I'm happy with the segmentation options. Let's continue with publish. We can see the targeting summary here. We have the self-email notification. If you want to be notified when someone fills in their email address, you can just add your email address here. And then we have integrations. If you want to integrate your pop-up with different platforms, then we have Google Analytics integration as well. Okay, once you're happy, just click publish. Okay, our pop-up is successfully published. Let's see it on live preview. Okay, here is our pop-up. As you can see, they can just take the survey and continue. And this is how easy getting feedback and getting leads with just a simple pop-up. So go ahead, try Popup Smart if you want to collect leads and feedback with your pop-up. Remember, this was a free account that I created my pop-up with, and I just easily published it as well. So you can go ahead, start with the free plan, just experience it for yourself. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.